From the KBIA newsroom in Columbia, I'm Noah Grabianski. States have taken different approaches to messaging about SNAP delays as the government shutdown continues. As Harvest Public Media's Molly Ashford reports, in some cases that includes partisan finger pointing on government run websites.
Nebraska's Health and Human Services website displays a message from the governor blaming Democrats for the shutdown. In Illinois, a message on a state website says President Donald Trump and Republicans are to blame. And the U.S. Department of Agriculture homepage says Democrats shut down the government to give, quote, healthcare to illegals. Richard Painter, a law professor at the University of Minnesota, says some of that language could run afoul of federal anti-lobbying laws.
We're not paying taxpayer money to give to agencies to turn around and then put pressure on Congress. We're not paying for lobbying firms for PR machine. We're paying for services.
Some states also have laws to prohibit the use of state resources to promote political causes. I'm Molly Ashford, Harvest Public Media.
The removal of a phrase chalked on University of Missouri property by the group Mizzou Students for Justice in Palestine is under investigation. KOMU 8 reports the phrase "from the river to the sea" was erased shortly after it was drawn. University spokesperson Travis Zimfer said the phrase was removed because it was perceived as violating laws banning race-based discrimination. Members of the organization, however, say that they've used the phrase numerous times publicly without issue. MSJP is also currently suing UM System President Moon Choi because of its removal from the 2024 homecoming parade. Zimfer says the chalk incident is still under investigation. The retail price of wholesale turkeys is likely to be more expensive this year. An average 15-pound bird could cost around $30 according to a new analysis. Tariffs have impacted the price of turkey feed, which makes up most of producers' costs, and bird flu has caused millions of birds to be culled, reducing the available supply for holiday meals. Yuko Sato is a poultry extensions veterinarian at Iowa State University. She says controlling bird flu would bolster turkey populations and help bring prices down.
That's going to be a massive positive effect for the entire industry, irrespective of what turkeys or broilers or layers, whatever industry they're dealing with.
But with more than 3 million commercial fowl killed because of bird flu this year, population growth is unlikely to happen quickly. A new study shows Missouri laws targeting the LGBTQ+ population, including restrictions on gender-affirming care, have driven people out of the state. The Missouri Independent reports the Movement Advancement Project estimates around $360 to $880 million in household income has left the state. That number is expected to increase. The study also shows about 40% of LGBTQ people aged 13 to 24 have considered leaving Missouri. That's in line with warnings from local officials and chambers of commerce over the years about potential impacts on recruitment and retention of employees, as well as the ability to lure businesses to the state. I'm Noah Grabianski, KBIA News, Columbia.